Yes, me there again once more, my people. Manners, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, my people, so here I'm going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. And this video is going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to a premises. So I got the understanding that law enforcers or police officers went to the premises or at a certain location within Trinidad and Tobago with the intention to go inside of a house or to gain access to a building. But it seems as if there was some type of difficulty for police officers or law enforcers to go inside of the building. See? And the video shows when at least one police officer used an object to damage at least a part of a window. See? Now in the video you can hear when a person said the word warrant, and you can hear when a person said address as well to viewers and subscribers. And I just want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think about the situation based on some words that you're about to hear in this video and some actions that you're about to see in this video. I would like you to tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to this situation. Now please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Alright? Look, listen and observe for yourself.
Just show me the warrant. It don't have an address on it. I keep telling you all that. Show me the warrant. What are you doing? 77520002. Show me the warrant with the.
Mom, let's open the door, man.
Just show me the warrant with the address on it. It don't have an address on it.
You need to open the door.
It don't have an address on it.
You stay there. You stay right there, right? You stay right there.
Jesus, what is this? I know, don't say my prayers. I know, come off my knee. I know, come off my knee. I know, say my prayers. Look, they're mashing on the house. The warrant don't have an address on it. What is this morning? What is this? All you call Tanti Janet for me now? The warrant don't have an address. That's all I'm asking for, to see an address on it. And I will open this whole house. Look how you're mashing on the house this morning. And now come off my knee from praying. And now don't pray. Show me a warrant with an address on it. That's all I'm asking for. What you do? Look what you do this man's house. Kill, Mr. Kill King. All I ask is for an address on the warrant to show me it. All you mashing up this house? Tanti Janet, what go?
Alright, my people, so I saw another video that shows police inside of the house. See? You know, and based on what me hear the person say, when it comes on to the word warrant and address and so forth, that have me thinking, because if them words there are really and truly accurate as to how the person says certain words, then, you know, that's something where me I look upon and me I wonder, you know. Me I wonder, you see. But you know, some of the times when I see certain things will happen pertaining to police, no matter which country they are in, I sometimes wonder and sometimes assume that some of the things that will happen when it comes down to police are because of certain things will happen, like crime and violence. You ever hear a thing where them say good suffer for the bad? Yeah, you know, sometimes, you know, you might be innocent, but because of the amount of bad things that are going out there, it somewhat affects you. May I tell you? See, it somewhat affects you. So some of the times, my people, I wonder if because of the level of crime and violence make certain things happen to some people. You see, and at the same time, you know, you have some people that do foolishness. But based upon what you see and hear in that video, my people, I want to tell you what you think about this situation. Yeah, I want to tell you what you think about this situation. As I say, because you know, you can see where police use force to try and get inside of the house. I don't have any confirmed information as to how they exactly got inside of the house. So, who you think might be right and who you think might be wrong when it comes down to that situation? Leave a comment or comments to let me know what you think, alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Now, I got information that isat Buchanan has resigned as chairman of the People's National Party's Human Rights Commission in the wake of some comments he made about the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula. You see myself here, subscriber. So information that I got is that in a media release on Monday, the PNP said he indicated his intention to step down to the party president, Mark Golden, following remarks he made on a YouTube program. Now I realize that some news source now want to talk about which YouTube program. So me I say, yeah, I realize that, but me know which YouTube program, see? So it continued the party's acceptance his resignation and expresses gratitude to CDE isat for his service to the commission and thanks him for his contributions. Some information let me get out there is like some pretty up thing, as I may say, but listen. My information that I got is that at some point the Gender Affairs Minister Olivia Grange called for Golden to immediately fire Buchanan. That's our information we get. So I say, and that she also called for the disciplinary committee of the General Legal Counsel to immediately probe Buchanan for certain things that he had been accused of saying are doing. Whatsoever be the case, you see? Me see a video on social media that shows Mr. Buchanan, and in that video he talked about what would I say no? What would I say no? No, it's like some people that say in quote some words from one of Vybz Kartel's song them. You see what I say? One song of Vybz Kartel do. The Vybz Kartel song what me I talk about, you know, my people. In one part of it, you know, you can hear when Vybz Kartel say, like he say, Paula go sucker, and then he say a D word, you know. But a whole heap of people named Paula still, you know, my people. Yeah, man, look how much people named Paula. That one like a one smarty named Paula. But anyways, it seems as if this whole thing is being assumed to a person. I mean, I understand this, but I just say it go still. So them words that were kind of quote this are them words that were said from it then, in my point of view. I think that some people are talking about on social media. I mean, I wonder, right? I wonder if those words make certain things happen. So I mean, I can't not that here so, but I point out certain things. Yeah, you know, point fingers. So I say, my overall thinking about the situation. So I say, I believe in freedom of speech. As long as a person don't do certain things, you know what I mean, I'm in a business with you. So I believe in a freedom of speech. However, in my point of view, the man say what he say and he say what he feel to say and he said it as well he said it and it done said already. And in my point of view, it seems as if at least one person might have felt offended by what the person said. I talk about Mr. Buchanan. Now, in my point of view, I like to really and truly know why he said what he said. Yeah, I like to know. That's the biggest thing. I just like to know. Because he done so much already. So I say, yeah, just reason with them people. You see me, and if you like what me I say, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Is it? And there's more to this whole thing too, you know, my people, because you know, me have an idea as to what might have caused something like this. But you see, me is the kind of person I don't want what I call it now. I don't want to go give certain words about certain things when I confirm. Because here say, no really and truly win case in a court. You know? Yeah. And you don't see type of people them we are talking about right there. So you see? Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla entertainment.